Children, today we are going to learn about Unit 11, that is hydroxy compounds. What is meant by hydroxy compound? Hydroxy compound means compound containing OH group. How the OH group is formed? It is formed by the hydrolysis of an alkyl halide. Halide means halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Gives alcohol. Alkyl halide gives an alcohol, an organic compound containing the OH functional group. So, alcohol means compounds containing OH group. Many organic compounds containing OH group play an important role in our body. For example, cholesterol alcohol, which is commonly known as cholesterol. It is an important component in our cell membrane. Next, number 2, retinol, the storage form of vitamin A, finds application in proper functioning of our eyes. Next, alcohols also find application in many areas like medicine, industry, etc. For example, methanol is used as an industrial solvent. Ethyl alcohol, an additive to petrol. Isopropyl alcohol as a skin cleanser for injection, etc. So the hydroxyl group of alcohol can be converted to many other functional groups also. So it's an important source in synthetic organic chemistry. So in this unit we are going to learn about alcohols, phenols, ethers. So this and all you have to learn. Cholesterol alcohol, which is known as cholesterol, then retinol, which is the storage form of vitamin A. One more questions you have to find out. Then how an alcohol is got? Alcohol is got by the hydrolysis of an alkyl halide. That you have to. Alkyl means functional group R. R. Halide means X. Generally we'll write like this for alkyl halide or X. Next, classifications of alcohols. Alcohols can be classified based upon number 1. Number 1, number of hydroxyl groups. Number 2, nature of the carbon to which the functional group is attached. Number 1, number of hydroxyl groups. Number 2, nature of the carbon to which the functional group OH is attached. So, alcohols divided into 2 types: monohydric alcohol, polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol means alcohol containing only one OH group. For example, ethanol or methanol or propanol, like this. Polyhydric alcohol means containing more than one OH group. Mono means one, poly means more than one. For example, dihydric alcohol, CH2OH, CH2OH. Otherwise, glycol, ethane 1,2, diol, diol. OL means for the functional group OH, you have to add the word OL. Di means 2, so 2 OH group. If it is triol, trihydric alcohol. Then hexa means 6. CH2OH, 1 carbon, here 4 carbon, here 1 5. 5 means 6. Then 6 OH groups. Here 4, 5, 6. This is known as sorbitol or hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 since it is 6 OH, hexol. 2 means diol, 3 means triol, 6 means hexol. This is the divisions of polyhydric alcohols. Now, monohydric, it is divided into 2 types. The OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, OH group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Now, sp3 divided into 3 types. Number 1, OH group attached to alkyl group, then OH group attached to allyl group, then OH group attached to benzyl group. Alkyl divided into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Primary, carbon carrying OH group attached to one more carbon atom, that is called primary. Secondary, carbon having OH group attached to two more carbon atom, that is secondary. Tertiary, carbon containing OH group attached to three carbon atom, that is called tertiary. So this is for alkyl group divided into three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Next, allyl group. See, this is the compound. So numbering from here 1, 2, 3. 3 means prop. Second position double bond. So En, E. Then OH in the first carbon, drop E and write OL. So prop 2En 1-ol. Next, another compound. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So bute. Third carbon having double bond, 3En 1-ol. Next, select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means bute. Third position En. Second carbon having OH2-ol. Prefix. One methyl group is here. Prefix. So 2-methyl. 2-methyl bute 3En 2-ol. Next, benzyl group. C6H5 group should be there. This is called as phenyl. Then methanol. Here, first carbon, second carbon. First carbon having the phenyl group. First carbon having the phenyl group and the OH. So phenyl ethanol. Here 1, 2, 3, second carbon. So 2 phenyl, 3 carbon means propan-2-ol. 2 second carbon having the OH group, 2-ol. So there are two kinds of naming. One is the common name, the other one is the IUPAC name. Common name, there is no rule to write the compound. But IUPAC nomenclature having some possible rules. Number 1, that is a root word. First one is a root word, the longest chain. That is meth, eth, prop, bute, pend, hex, hep, het, hept, oct, non, dec, like this, based upon the number of carbon atoms. If it is 1 carbon means meth, 2 means eth, 3 means prop, likewise. Then suffix. Suffix divided, everything you have learned in 11th standard. This is not the new one for you children. Suffix. Then suffix divided into two types, primary and secondary. Primary means saturation and unsaturation. Saturation means compound containing single bond. Single bond means ANE. Unsaturation means compound containing double bond, triple bond, ENE, YNE. If there are two double bond means diene. If there are two triple bond means diene, YNE. If there is 3 double bond means triene. Then secondary suffix, if it is a functional group OH means OL. Aldehyde means AL. Like this you have to add the drop E and you have to add. Then next prefix. Prefix means a branch. It comes before the substituents. It comes before the root word. So prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. This is the rule. So first you have to select the longest chain. Longest chain. Number 2, the basic rules to name the alcohols. Number 2, number the carbon atoms in the chain, so that the carbon bearing the functional group should be the lowest possible number. Third one, name the substituent if any. Then next follow this rule. So now see, this is the one of the compound. CH3, CHOH, CH3. Now longest chain. 1, 2, 3. 3 means prop. Single bond means ANE. Prop. Then primary suffix ANE. Second carbon having OH. So drop E and write 2-ol. Propan-2-ol. Propan-2-ol. Likewise, many compounds given. One more compound we can write. We can select this one. See. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. So prop. Single bond means ANE. First carbon having OH, so drop P and write 1 all. Second carbon 2 methyl groups, so prefix 2 comma 2 dimethyl propan 1 all. Likewise, you have to write. Similarly, benzyl alcohol, this is the common name, allyl alcohol, cyclohexyl alcohol, cyclohexanol, IUPAC name, then glycerol, IUPAC name is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Like this tabular column you have to go through, children, to name, to write the IUPAC name, some basic rules. Also you can verify your 11th standard book also. This is very important one. Questions may be asked.